This is your quick abs and glutes. So you're going direct to the side for 2, 3, elbows open, 4, pull the abs in, 5. Now towards the leg, 1, neck is long, 2, 3, belly in, 4, 5. Now hand down under the shoulder, lift the leg, 5 taps up and down, 1, belly in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles forward, 1, small circles, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go into a side plank, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Other side, extend the leg, hands behind the head and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and towards the leg, 1, 2, opens elbows, 3, feel the obliques, 4, 5, hand down, float the leg up and down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get into a side plank. Repeat this video 3 times through. Please hit the subscribe button, let me know what you think, and I will see you soon.